Dude, what are we doing? You want me to shoot the whole thing down there?
Not all at once.
I'm so scared. What am I supposed to do?
Shoot it in here. Just the tip.
Okay, just the tip. Put your hair back. I don't want to get in your hair.
Wow, it's so concerning.
I'd rather get on your chest.
Not my face.
I can do a face. Come on. Do you want to maybe just suck on it a little bit before I put it in?
It's followed.
Dear people, blind people, he's just a friend. The friend. If these two aren't dating out, brick by brick, now I'm bricked. 2 minutes ago, Bro's eyes lit up when she said feed it to me. When